Today we'll guide you through simple steps to clean and maintain your Shark Detect upright vacuum. With Shark's new suite of Detect technology, it's important to show your vacuum some love to ensure you get the most out of it. Let's get started with these easy tips to properly maintain and clean your upright. Start by emptying the dust cup. To remove the dust cup, slide up on the release button located on the side of the dust cup handle. Tilt the dust cup forward, then lift to remove. Hold the dust cup over the trash. To empty debris into the trash, press the lower release button and the bottom of the dust cup will drop open. Clear debris from the lint screen in the dust cup. Lift the upper release tab at the top of the dust cup and open the lid. Gently brush the lint screen to remove debris. Next, we recommend removing and rinsing the filters. The HEPA filter should be rinsed every year. To remove the HEPA filter, pull the tab on the bottom of the filter door, then lift off the door. Press the tab on the left side of the HEPA filter and pull out the filter. The pre-motor filters should be rinsed every month. To remove the pre-motor filters, detach the dust cup and lift out the foam and felt pre-motor filters. It's best to rinse the filters with clean, cold water only. Allow the filters to air dry for at least 24 hours. After the HEPA filter has been rinsed and is completely dry, reinsert it into the vacuum, then reattach the filter cover. After the pre-motor filters have been rinsed and are completely dry, insert the felt filter, then place the foam filter over, then reattach the dust cup. If your Shark Detect feels like it's not cleaning or picking up debris, or if the headlights on the floor nozzle turn red, there may be a blockage or a clog. To check for a clog, start by emptying your dust cup and then disassemble your vacuum. To disassemble the vacuum, remove the handle from the wand and detach the hose from the back of the pod. Then detach the wand from the pod. Next, press the lift-away pedal to separate the pod and nozzle. Check the handle as well as the hose by using a flashlight to shine light through the airway. You can also check the floor nozzle and the wand. Sometimes socks and other small clothing items get caught up by accident. Turn the floor nozzle over and inspect the brush roll. To access the nozzle hose, pinch the release points on the bottom of the nozzle, then lift the cover. Clear any blockages. Follow these steps for effective maintenance and optimal performance of your Shark Detect vacuum. Visit our support site for more tips, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides.